Welcome back to hyderabadwala.com. Yasmin here, and today I'll show you how to make Alu ke Lauz or Alu Ki Barfi. Soak 125 grams almonds overnight. Next morning, peel their skin. If you are unable to soak overnight, you can boil them to facilitate the peeling. Grind these peeled almonds roughly. Adding enough water, pressure cook half kg potatoes till tender. Peel the skin and cut into pieces. Now grind these potatoes into a fine paste without using water. Add 250 grams clarified butter or pure ghee to the pan on low flame. Sweets contain a good amount of clarified butter. Still, if you want, you can use lesser amount like 150 to 200 grams clarified butter. But I am giving you the perfect measurements for the delicious aloo ke lauz. Add the potato paste. Again a reminder, keep on low flame to prevent burning or the taste will be ruined. Add half kg khowa or mawa. Add the ground almonds. Mix well and stir continuously on low flame for 5 minutes. Now add 1 kg sugar ground to a powder. Again, this is the exact measurement and do not hesitate to add this quantity for that perfect sweetness. Still, you can reduce the amount. I am going to add sugar in 2 turns. Mix well. Now add the remaining sugar. Mix and stir continuously on low flame. This requires a lot of effort and it will take more than an hour for the mixture to solidify and attain the setting stage. When the mixture is almost dried and when it starts leaving the sides of the pan or when it gets heavier, switch off the flame. Keep stirring and allow the temperature of the mixture to come down. Arrange a baking sheet in a tray. Dampen with clarified butter. Spread and level the mixture. Dampen the spoon with clarified butter for the leveling. Decorate with silver paper. I have spread this mixture in 2 trays. Now leave these to set. You can keep the trays in the refrigerator during the setting process. Once it solidifies, cut into the desired or diamond shapes. You can store this in the refrigerator for about a week and use. Thanks for watching. Please do share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.